Hi student, in this video we are going to check the worked example concerning with laws of logarithm. If it is the first time for you to watch my videos, hit subscribe button below this video. Okay, let us check the first question, which is say that we need to evaluate value of log under base 3, 81 times 9. Okay, for this question will be solved like as for solution. We know that always there is law of logarithm, what we call the product rule. If you have log a times b, this one will be equals to log a plus log b. This is what we call the laws of logarithm concerned with the product. Okay, that means even if you have this one log under base 3, 81 times 9, this one will be equals to log under base 3, 81. This multiplication also become addition, log under base 3, but here there is 9, so something like this one. Okay, so now from there this one will be equals to log under base 3, but this 81 is the same as 3 exponent 4, then plus log under base 3, but this 9 the same as 3 square. Okay, also according to the power of logarithm, this exponent can be shifted to this side, and also this exponent can be shifted to this side. Now it will be like this: 4 log 3 under base 3 plus 2 log 3 under base 3. Okay, from there this is log 3 under base 3, they are going to cancel because equals to 1, so here will be equals to 4, then plus this log 3 under base 3 also going to cancel because equals to 1, so 4 plus 2. Okay, then from there this 4 plus 2 will be equals to 6. So at the end of the day we're supposed to write this log under base 3, this 81 times 9, this one will be equals to 6, and this will be our answer. Okay, let us go on. For the second question here, question number 2 said that we need to find value of the following. A, value of this logarithm. Okay, how to find value of this logarithm? Solution. As usual, for this one, we have log under base 3. This is under root 729. Okay, this one will be equals to log under base 3. This under root will be the same as the exponential half. So the same as this one, 729 exponent a half. So instead of writing under root, you can put exponential half. But also this is exponent. According to the power of logarithm, it can be shifted to this side. So now will be like this, is equal to a half log 729 under base 3. Okay, now this one will be equals to a half log under base 3, but this one 729, by using the prime factors, so we'll find this one will be equals to 3 exponent 6. Okay, and also this is exponent, it can be shifted to this side again, so this one will be like as 4 a half times this one, when you shift it to this side, will be times by 6, and also here we left with log 3 under base 3 after shifting this 6 to this side. Okay, then from there this is log 3 by 3 equals to 1, so we left with a half times 6, so will be equals to a half times 6, which is equal to 3. Okay, so at the end of the day you're supposed to write your answer like log under base 3. Here we have under root, this one will be equals to 3. That is the final answer. Okay, I would like to remind you, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by hit the subscribe button below this video. Okay, let us go on. And this one also, we have a question like this. You have log this one 0.12345, 0.this12345, then 1 here. Okay, this is cube root. We need to find value of this one. Okay, how can you find value of this one? Firstly, this cube root will be equals to exponent 1 over 3. So instead of writing cube root, you can write exponent 1 over 3. Now will be like as 4 log. This one will be 0.12345, 1 exponent 1 over 3, because this was a cube root. Cube root is the same as 1 exponent 3. Also the same, this exponent can be shifted to this side. From there you will find this one will be equals to 1 over 3 times log 0.12345, this one Okay, now from there, this one also can be written in a standard form. So if we need to write this number in standard form, will be like as follows. That one will be equals to 1 over 3 log, this one will be 0.123451. Okay, now look at this one. We know that this 0.123451 will be equals to 1 times 10 exponent. How many steps do you shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So times 10 exponent 6. But since for this direction, the exponent will be negative. That means 1 times 10 exponent negative 6. So we find this one equals to 10 exponent negative 6. That means this number will be equals to 10 exponent negative 6. Okay, so now my question will be 1 over 3 log 10 exponent negative 6. Okay, the same applied. This is the exponent, can be shifted to this side. Now from there, I will find this one would be equals to 1 over 3 times negative 6. Then here we have log 10. Okay, but any logarithm without a base, it means its base equals to 10. So for this one, it is log 10 and the base 10. This one is going to cancel because it is equal to 1. So from there, I will find this one equals to 1 over 3 times negative 6, which is equal to negative 2. So at the end of the day, we're supposed to write to a question log under root cube root this 0.123451. This one will be equals to negative 2, something like this one. Okay, let me shift. Also, we have another question like this one. We need to find the value of log under base 3 here. Then here we have 1 over 27. Okay, for this question here, we're supposed to classify this under root. Under root is the same as exponent a half. This means log under base 3, 1 over 27 exponent a half. Okay, because this is exponent, according to the power of logarithm, it can be shifted to this side. So from there, I will find this one will be equals to 1 over 3 log 1 over 2. This is exponent a half, so it will be 1 over 2, then log under base 3, 1 over 27, like this one. Remember, this one is 2. Do not confuse on it. It is 1 over 2. Okay, but also from there, we're supposed to think about this one, 1 over 27. This 1 over 27 will be equals to what? Find the prime factor of this one. This 27 is equal to 3 exponent what? Exponent 3. Okay, so from there, I will find this number will be equals to a half log under base 3. But this 1 over 27 the same as 1 over 3 exponent 3, right? Okay, so now from this one, 1 over 3 also, this 1 over 3 inside the bracket, this 1 over 3 will be the same as 3 exponent negative 1 according to the reciprocation. So there I can write this one is equal to a half log under base 3, but this 1 over 3 inside the bracket the same as 3 exponent negative 1. This is according to the reciprocation, but also we have another exponent here, exponent 3. Okay, what does it mean? We have to multiply that exponent. It means negative 1 times this one 3. Okay, from there I'll find this one equals to 1 over 2 log under base 3 times 3 exponent negative 3 here when you multiply that exponent. And at the end of the day, this is exponent can be shifted to this side. Okay, here will be equals to a half times negative 3, then times log 3 base 3. But how about this log 3 base 3 would be equals to 1 because the same, its logarithm equals to the base, so we can cancel this one, will be equal to 1. So from there, we're supposed to take this is a half, then times negative 3, which is equal to what? This one, when you multiply, you'll find equals to negative 3 over 2. This one will be your answer. Okay, let me shift. We have another question here. We need to find the value of this one. We have log fifth root here, then this one. Okay, this one will be the same as log this one exponent, because this is fifth root, then exponent 1 over 5. Okay, then from there shift this one into this side. Now it will be 1 over 5 here, then log, this is 100,000. Okay, now think about this 100,000. This one will be equals to what? Okay, now this one will be equal to 1 over 5 log this 100,000. When you write into standard form here, you will find that one equals to 10 exponent 5. Okay, but this one, it is exponent, so it's supposed to be shifted into this side. Now from there, I'll find this one will be equals to 1 over 5 times 5, then times log 10. Okay, this log 10 doesn't have a base here, it means it is under base 10. So log 10 under base 10 here, we're going to cancel, will be equal to 1. So at the end of the day, you have 1 over 5 times 5, which is equal to 1 actual. So for this question, the answer will be equals to 1. Okay, let me shift. You student, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get more tutorial videos concerned with mathematics. Okay, let us go on for this question here. We need to find the value of log 27 over 9 and base 3. So this one will be like as follows. We have log 27 over 9 here and base 3. Okay, for this question here will be equals to, according to the laws of logarithm, if you have a division like this one, the division will be subtraction. So here I can write this is log and the base 3. I have 27. This division will be subtraction. Log and the base 3 here, and I have 9. Something like this. Okay, but also you have to think the prime factors of this number. Okay, what is the prime factor of this one? Will be equals to what? So here will be equals to log and the base 3, but according to the prime factor of this 27 will be equals to 3 exponent 3. Then minus, how about this one? Will be 3 square. So minus log and the base 3, this is 3 square. Okay, now this is exponent. It can be shifted into this side, and this one is exponent. It can be shifted into this side. Now my question will be like as follows. Here we have 3 log 3 and base 3 minus 2 log 3 and base 3, because we shift this one into this side and this one into this side. Okay, from there we know that log 3 and base 3, since this logarithm is the same as the base, we are going to cancel it, and this one will be equals to 1. So will be 3 times 1 here minus, and also log 3 base 3 will cancel equals to 1, so we have 2 times 1 here. Okay, at the end of the day here, this one equals to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, let us continue. Also, we have another question here. We need to evaluate value of log under base 3 here, 9 divided by this one. Okay, for this one is as usual. Our question is log under base 3, 9 divided by this one, 243. Okay, how about this question? We know that log division will be subtraction according to the laws of logarithm. So instead of writing this division, you can write subtraction. Now my question will be like as follows. This is log and base 3, 9. This division becomes subtraction. Log and base 3, this one, 243. Okay, so what next from there? We're supposed to classify this one. This 9, when we classify by using the prime factors, we can divide this one by 3, we will find equals to 3. Also divide this by 3, we will find equals to 1. So this 9 will be equals to 3 exponent 2. So instead of writing this 9, you can write 3 exponent 2. So here will be 3 exponent 2. Now I can write this one is equal to log and base 3, but this 9 is equal to 3 exponent 2. Then minus. How about this one? Also supposed to find its prime factors, and that one will be like as follows. Okay, if you find the prime factor of this one, you will divide it by 3, will be equals to 81. Also by 3 again will be equals to 27. Also by 3 here will be equals to what's 9. Then by 3 here will be equals to 3. By 3 again, they're going to cancel. So equals to 3 exponent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one equals to 3x.5. So instead of writing this one, you can write 3x.5. Now it will be log under base 3. This is 3x.5. Okay. Then from there, this is exponent can be shifted to this side. This is exponent can be shifted to this side. Now my question will be 2 log 3 base 3 minus 5 log 3 under base 3. Okay, now from there, this is log 3 base 3, they're going to cancel. This one is log 3 base 3, they're going to cancel. So at the end of the day, you have this 2 minus 5. But this 2 minus 5 will be equals to negative 3. So this one will be the final answer. Okay, you students, I would like to remind you, do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, what we call Some From Online, by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Okay, let us continue. For this question here, we have log 10 divided by 0.001. Okay, we need to divide this one. According to the laws of logarithm, this is division, will be subtraction. So now my question will be like as follows. So here will be equals to log, this is log 10 divided by 0.001. Okay, now my question will be like this one. Okay, how about this one? 10 divided by this one. Log division will be subtraction, so I can say this one equals to log 10 minus log 0.001. Okay, now this one will be equals to, we know that this is log 10, but I know log 10 equals to 1, so this is log 10 minus, but how about this one, 0.001? In standard form will be equals to what? Let me shift this decimal point, first step, second step, third step, so it will be 10 exponent negative 3. So here minus log 10 exponent negative 3. Okay, this exponent can be shifted into this side. So now my question will be like as follows: log this 10 minus, this is negative 3, so when I shift into this side it will be negative 3 here, log 10. But this is log 10 is under base 10, and this log 10 doesn't have a base, it means under base 10. So log 10 here we're going to cancel, and this one we're going to cancel to be equals to 1. So at the end of the day here we're left with 1 minus here 1 times this one, negative 3. Okay, this is 1 minus negative 3, we will find this one equals to 4. And this one will be the end of this question. Okay, today it is the end of my presentation, but I also like to remind you, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video in order to get more tutorial videos concerning with mathematics subject. Thank you.